Want to boost your sales without new inventory? Virtual bundles are your secret weapon to test it. I'll show you how to create them in today's video. So first you're going to log into Amazon Seller Central, and then you're going to go to Brands, and there's a Virtual Bundles tab here. If you don't have access to Brands tab, then you make sure you're a professional seller, but you should. And then this is a virtual bundle. So it needs to be Amazon FBA. You choose 2 Amazon FBA items, and then they combine into one. So virtual bundles are 2 to 5 products from your catalog that are sold as one, typically at a discount. These products are not packaged together, but are sold together, right? So how is it determined? Can virtual bundles be edited? Okay, so yep, and then we're going to go here. So this is how you create a virtual bundle. I'm gonna give you an example of what a virtual bundle looks like. So it just combines 2 products. So one of our clients is selling essential oil therapy balm and then an acupressure clip that goes on your hand. And then they're combining them. This is a separate item on Amazon, the little black clip, and it does very well. And then the balm does very well. And what they did is said, instead of them packaging it together and shipping it to Amazon as a whole new ASIN, they're going to do a virtual bundle first. So what they do is they put it together, and then Amazon, when someone clicks add to cart and buys, Amazon takes from the #1 selling listing, that's the black clip, they take from this, Amazon bundles it together for you since it's both in Amazon's fulfillment center and ships it to the customer. This is not the best way to do a bundle, but it's a great way to test, to see if it works and if you want to create your own bundle yourself in the future. So this is an example of one of them. This is an acupressure hat. Again, this is its own separate item, and this is its own separate item, and they created a virtual bundle. Another one is the balm and the clip. And you can see bundles with this item. It shows you the bundles with this item. You put your own bullet points. It acts as its own listing, and then you can kind of go from there. It says, oh, this bundle contains 2 items, and you actually save $7 ordering it from the bundle instead of ordering it from the direct listing. So you can save money, you get more sales, pretty good. Now anyway, let's go back to that create button in the virtual bundle. And what you do is you click at least 2 products to add. So you add 2 products. You put the main image, the additional bundle images, the title, the short title, and the short title is it's pretty much displayed for mobile devices. And then your bundle price, you want to give a discount, of course, description, bullet points, and then SKU. Then here it is filled out. So we put our 2 items. So we put biodegradable bag that has an earth on it, biodegradable bag that has hands with butterflies flying everywhere, and then you can put your main bundle image. This is the image you need to create yourself, so you got to combine them just like they did. So you put like image #1, image #2, and combine them into one image for your first image, so customers know they're getting both. And then you can put your secondary images in here. So you can click on this, put your main image in here, and then you can take from your secondary images already on your listing. See, I can kind of just like click and choose different listings, different images on the secondary images. It's up to me, or I can add them myself, upload new image. So it's up to you on how you want to do it. Put your brand title, put your bundle title, short title, and then put all that and save and publish. Then you can just monitor it and see if it generates sales. If it does generate sales, then you can actually make a real bundle, put them together yourself at your manufacturer's place, your house, your warehouse, and then ship it to Amazon as a real listing. That's because virtual bundles do not do very well on Amazon. They're just for testing purposes and to take up space. So you're not going to expect to generate tons of sales from a virtual bundle because Amazon doesn't prioritize it, but it is a great way to test to see what bundles work, what bundles don't work. And it only takes a couple clicks to create the listings, so it's totally worth it. There's not many cons, mainly pros for this. But that's it for today's video. Have you created any virtual bundles yet? Let me know your experience in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, virtual bundle creation, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our #1 services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Let us help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.